I had a distinct fortune of growing up on a couple acres of land and was constantly out in the woods. We had 2 creeks on our property, and I was always in the stream looking for salamanders or crawfish, climbing trees. I really remember my mother allowing me to do all this because I would come home slimy and muddy and just really dirty. And this is why we're telling these stories. We want to be able to reach adults and children and get you inspired, get you connected, learn more about the natural world. What we love, we'll conserve. All of our birds here at the Raptor Center are part of our team. They just happen to be feathered, and they have jobs to do just like the rest of the staff. They serve as ambassadors. If you love these birds, then you'll love the world that they live in. We created Avian Adventures to be able to connect you with the natural world. Its purpose is to inspire, engage, and get you to act, to make a difference in this world that we live in. Now's the time for your imagination to take flight.